Are you curious about starting with embedded systems? Where to begin your journey? Don't stress. In this video, I will provide you with a straightforward roadmap to help you begin from scratch. Embedded systems are present in almost every aspect of our lives. From mobile phones to smart homes, they are integrated into many aspects of our daily routines. To start with embedded systems, first and foremost, learn the basics of electronics. These include understanding voltage, current, and resistance. Gaining a solid understanding of these concepts will lay the foundation for your journey. Next, consider starting with an easy-to-learn device like the Arduino. It is beginner-friendly and perfect for those who are just starting their embedded systems journey. After mastering the basics of Arduino, move on to learning basic programming. Arduino programming primarily involves using simple C and C++ languages. Once you feel comfortable with the basics, begin building small projects such as LED blinking, using sensors for simple automation, and working on projects related to IoT and Raspberry Pi. As you progress along this roadmap, you'll find yourself building, developer, your skills as an embedded systems, confidence in your abilities and growing. Remember to start small and stay consistent in your efforts. Keep building and refining your knowledge as you move forward. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and straightforward embedded systems projects that will inspire and motivate you to keep learning.
Subscribe.